Hey, if you're looking for the very best survival first aid kit you can get your hands on, this one is by SurviveX. They say that this is waterproof. Before we look inside this thing, we're going to submerge it in water and see if it really is waterproof. We're going to push this down so it floats. So that's good. Of course, you would want it to float, being that it's waterproof, right? So no water is going to get in there. But we're just going to get this. All right, so we're going to go ahead and open this up. Okay. Oh yeah. I mean, yeah, we are completely 100% dry looking in here. I don't see any drops of water. I kind of expected that because, man, I'm telling you, this exterior and the way that they have these zippers designed, this is like really good as far as waterproof goes. So good job on that. So this is what it looks like when you open it up. Oh my gosh, this is a beast. So we'll kind of go through some of the stuff here. We've got a couple of glow sticks, which is going to be great for survival situations. And I love how they have everything labeled on this bag. So right here, it says wounds and lacerations. So everything in this compartment is going to pertain to that. We got triple antibiotic ointment, finger cots, all kinds of bandages and dressings in there. It is just packed full. Right here, we've got eye pads, cotton gauze swabs, dressing for major wounds, non-adherent wound dressings right there. Stability aid. Looks like we've got bandages, ace bandages, conforming bandages right here, triangular bandages, wound dressing. Here is your breathable cloth tape, and that is tethered to the bag so you don't lose it. Cleaning wipes. We've got gloves, hydrogel for burns and scalds, emergency blanket. If you get thorns or ticks, you've got extraction pins in here. They're going to give you a pair of these ergonomic scissors for cutting all that tape. This pencil is in here. So when I went to pull this out, it just pulled the cap and the pencil got stuck in there. So if there's a way to improve that, that would be great, but I'm being very picky right now. Up in the top here, they're going to give you this first aid guide with visuals, easy to read, all kinds of good information in there. This is going to be perfect for survival situations. We've got some over-the-counter meds in there, and we've got a cold pack. All you have to do is break that up. You never know what you're going to need, but you're going to have it on hand. You're going to have peace of mind. So definitely pick this up and check it out. They did a great job with that. That's all I got for you. That is my quick review. And as always, thanks for watching.